Welcome to another BurnTables demo. Today I'm going to make an array of a bunch of small parts that I'm going to draw. First thing I'm going to do is select the rectangle and 0, 0 to start in the origin, and I'm going to make it 3 by 3 square actually. So we'll view, zoom all, and there's our square, and I guess I need a small bolt hole in it, so I will do 2, 0.75, and a radius, specify the radius of the circle. Let's do 0.25, enter. I'll do one more hole actually, and we'll do 2, 2.25, enter, and we'll do 0.25 again. So here's my part, very simple, but I want to make a bunch of them, so I'm going to go up and select my array function. These are all 0. Okay, and I'll do 10 by 10. Okay, and these will be the width of the part plus the spacing, so 3.125, which is an 1/8 inch spacing between them. 3.125. And see how this looks. Okay, there they are. Now I know this is going to fit my table, but just in case I had bunches and bunches didn't know that it would fit, I can always draw out my table. 0, 0, enter, and 96, 48. That's my table. So you can see I have lots of room there. Maybe I want a few more of these, so one of the easy way to do that is to delete the square that you represents your table. Select your part and mirror it. And to do this, I'm going to actually put on my on snap. That'll help me select a point. Okay, so I can mirror this around to right there. Okay, so now I've got enough. I've got as many as I want, and I'm going to go ahead and export that to a DXF. And I'll call it Array 2. Save it, and go straight into my sheet cam. And I'm going to select this 10 gauge tool, import my part, that's on my desktop as Array 2. There it is, and you can see that everything looks good. It's symmetrical. I'll set up my operation, outside offset, default layer, select the tool that I wanted, which was this 10 gauge tool. I'm going to change my speed. I'm going to up that to 150. Arc and arc. Okay, it's all good. And now it shows that it's set up to cut. It gives you your cut points. So now what I'm going to do, it's actually still working on it because there's a lot of parts there. So I'll wait for that for a second. You can see the clock at the top. And it lights up green, so it's all good. I'm going to post that, save, and go right into my BurnTable software. Torch height control normally on, but not for the demo. Reset. Bring my torch to the 0, 0 origin. 0x, 0y, 0z. Load my G code. Array 2. And there it is. And you'll see how it cuts. Torch comes up, goes over, and begins its cuts. And you can follow it all the way around. It starts with the bolt holes, and then it will move on to the outside of each. Okay. I hope you've enjoyed this BurnTables demonstration.